Hello everyone. So I recently went to the very famous, very reputed Blossoms Book House in Bangalore. It is a paradise for readers. I was fascinated every moment that I was there. I spent a total of 3 hours or something, and I bought a ton of books. So I thought, why not do a book haul video to show you all the books that I bought and all the books that I'm going to read soon. Okay, so starting strong with Yesteryear. So this has been on my TBR list ever since everyone started talking about it. I wanted to know what the hype was about, and I mean, I'm already on the 13th chapter. I feel like, yeah, everybody was hyping it up real good, and I feel like it deserves the hype. It's basically about this trad wife influencer who portrays that she has this perfect traditional American lifestyle that she's living, but obviously it's on social media, so it's fake. And what happens is that she ends up waking up in the 1800s one fine morning, and she has to actually live out the life that she was showing everyone that she was living, right? So I'd say that's a pretty good set up for a plot, and yeah, I'm excited to read more of it. So the next book that I bought is The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. I have already read this book actually, but I just wanted it to be a part of my library because I love it. I love how Franz Kafka, for those of you who don't know, it's about this man, Gregor Samsa, who wakes up suddenly as a vermin, and through that point of view, the author tries to explore the meaning of society and feminism and sociology and everything. So it's a pretty good read for anyone who wants to read it. I will do a book review on it soon. I'm sure everyone has heard of East of Eden. It's all over social media, and yes, I admit that I wanted to jump on the bandwagon to actually dive into it. I wanted to see why everyone was praising it so much. And as far as the synopsis goes, what I've gathered is that this is a book about ethics, morals, immorality, religion, politics, government, a bunch of stuff rolled in together in the form of a novella. And yeah, it looks really cool to dive into. This is a different cover, so yeah, I'm a proud owner now. I'll be jumping into it really soon. So I like exploring mythological texts and interpretations of how Hinduism has changed over the years and everything, and not from a religious point of view, just from curiosity. And I've read Faith by Devdutt Patnaik before, so I know that he's a very well-read author and he explores the culture really deeply. And so I bought Mithya, and yeah, I'm excited to dive in. Okay, so the next book that I bought is The Stationery Shop of Tehran. I'm pretty sure you've heard of it before. It's a very popular book, and I'm so sorry I'm late to the party, but I just bought it now. I'm excited to read it. It's about this love story that blossoms in a stationery shop in Tehran while the country is undergoing political unrest. So yeah, I'm excited to dive in. It's like it's about how the country's dynamics are changing while two people are falling in love and all that. So yeah, I hope it's a good read. Since you guys know that I write poetry, I of course had to buy the world's greatest poems. There are 50 poems in here. It's a collector's edition. I was really excited to have it, and it's a used book. So there are really cute annotations. I'm sure the previous owner loved these poems especially. And one of them is "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day?" I'm sure you've heard of it. One of the very celebrated poems by Shakespeare. So yeah, I'm just like happy to have it now. As the saying goes, a true book lover never really stops at one bookstore. That is not a true saying. I just made that up. But yeah, I went to Blossoms. I bought all these books. But then, of course, there was a bookstore right across called Book Hive. And it had a beautiful collection. And I thought, why not purchase some books from there? Because there was still some money in my bank account and I had to exhaust it. It's a moral compulsion at this point. So I ended up buying two books. The first one is The Enchantress of Florence by Salman Rushdie. I have never read any of Salman Rushdie's works before, but as many of us know, he wrote the very infamous book Satanic Verses. I want to read that. Can somebody tell me where to get it, please? So I just end up buying this. The cover looked really pretty, and of course, I judge books by their cover. Come on. And it's about this. It's a fictional story, but again, as Salman Rushdie does his work best, he dives into religion and politics and all of that through a fictional story that he constructs, and I'm really excited to read it. The last book that I bought is The Secret History by Donna Tartt. The thing is, while I was in Delhi, I ordered this book through a very shady online forum called The Reader in Bookland. Do not order from this site. They do not respond to emails. They do not deliver orders on time. And I still don't have any contact with their company. They have not responded to any of my requests to send this book across. I already paid, by the way. So, yeah, don't make that mistake in the future. But the Book Hive had several copies of this. I'm really glad that I found it. I've been waiting to dive into this for a really long while. It's about dark academia and how a couple of batchmates in a New England college sort of dive into new ways of thinking, new ways of living, and it explores philosophy, explores new ways of life. So that's all for today. I hope I was able to give you guys some recommendations for the books that you can read in the future. If you're in Bangalore or if you want to go to Bangalore, please do visit Blossom's Book House and Book Hive and Higginbotham's, of course. I This is not a promotional video. I'm just genuinely talking about them from pure love and pure genuinity from the bottom of my heart. And I'm really happy to see that people still read, people go to bookstores. There were so many people at Blossoms who were buying books, and there were so many children that I was really happy to see. They were excited to see books, to see comics, and no matter what age you're at, guys, please keep reading books. And yeah, see you next time.